Good afternoon, everyone. This is Byron Thomas Auto Sales in Scotland Neck, North Carolina. I'm bringing you a quick video walk around of this 2014 Buick Enclave PREMIUM with 118,000 miles. It's got a clean title, so no flood history, no salvage history. Lots of premium features. We'll give you a quick walk around and point out some of them. So you can see this Buick has a really nice exterior silver finish. No major blemishes whatsoever, no dents, dings, or scratches, no rust or corrosion. Lots of premium features, lots of safety features as well, which we'll point out when we take a look inside. You can see the chrome detail on the wheel wells, door handles. It's got the running boards also. Backup camera, parking sensors, dual exhaust. Really a very nice full-size SUV, only 118,000 miles. The interior is extremely clean. You can see the leather is in excellent condition. No rips or tears. Hardly any wear marks. It's got the dual sunroof up top. It's got the Bose premium audio system. Heated and cooled seats, navigation, dual climate control, cruise control. It's also got collision avoidance, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring. Lots of premium features and safety features as well. Very nice SUV. You can see it's got the second row bucket seats, which will fold down and of course move forward and backward as well, giving you more space as needed. It's also got the third row seat in the back. Headliner is in great shape, no smoky smell, no pet odor. Also has the stereo controls, climate controls, and USB charging here in the back as well. This Enclave has the power liftgate as well. Good bit of cargo space here in the back. Third row will fold down, giving you a little more room. And then, as with all these Enclaves, you got this nice additional storage here underneath as well. Here's a view of the passenger side. Both seats are powered, heated and cooled as we mentioned. Again, leather is really in immaculate condition. Mats as well, nice leather details on the dash. Just a really well taken care of Buick Enclave. Nice and clean under the hood. It's got the 3.6 liter V6 engine. It runs very smooth. No rust or corrosion under the hood either. Another nice feature on this Enclave is a full set of Goodyear Assurance tires. These are pretty much brand new, right around 90 to 95% left on the tread. Very smooth on the road, drives excellent. And then of course you get these 19-inch chrome clad wheels, no curb rash, no rust or corrosion, also in excellent condition. All right, thanks everyone for checking out the video for this 2014 Buick Enclave PREMIUM with 118,000 miles. As we mentioned, this has a clean title, so no flood or salvage history. Lots of premium features and options. Definitely a very nice full-size SUV. Check out our website, byronthomasauto.com, where you can find more pictures, as well as a link to this video at our YouTube channel. And then of course we encourage you to follow us at our social media sites, Facebook and Instagram, where you can see the inventory that we get in regularly. Have a great day.